Hi guys, this is Madi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Excel file to Word. Let's start. First, open the Excel file you want to convert to Word. Then, press Ctrl+A or select all text manually. Then, right-click on a screen and choose Copy. In this step, open Microsoft Word. Then, right-click here and select Keep Source Formatting. Finally, click on Save. Select Save. Close this. Great. As you can see, the format changed from Excel to Word. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please feel free to let me know if you require any further information.